2050 সালের লেখাপড়া কেমন হবে? A for Android, B for Bluetooth, C for chat, D for download, E for email, F for Facebook, Z for Google, H for headphone, I for Instagram, J for Java, K for Crime Master, L for laptop, M for Messenger, N for Notepad, O for Opera Mini, P for Play Store, Q for QR code, R for RAM, S for scanner, T for Truecaller, U for USB, V for video player, W for Wi-Fi, X for Windows XP, Y for YouTube, Z for Zoom app। এটাই 2050 সালের লেখাপড়া।